Pretty sweet little campsite. Sheltered us from the rain. Time to pack up for day 2 to Walhalla, about 80 something Ks, 2,500 meters climbing, so it's going to be a lot shorter today ride, but more up and down. I don't think I'll be needing to carry as much water because I think there's plenty of water in all the rivers. We're on the road. Steaming our way up this hill. I don't know if you can see that, but all I can see is a cloud of steam and the sunshine on the road. How good is that? Hill number 1 for the day, done. Ew. Look at the scenery. Sun's out, climbing up Mount Baw Road. Very enjoyable riding up here. Pretty special countryside we're riding through. Not far from the top of another climb. And another descent, another climb. Just the way it rolls. Rugging up a bit. You'll catch me in a second.
I said, oh, we've got a bit of a downhill.
That was good.
Yeah, I thought you said like, oh, there's not much of one.
I didn't really look. I'm not looking at the descent. Cookies! It's gonna rain now. Right, we're about to hit a 30% gradient. There it goes. On GoPro, never ever looks steep. That's steep. 6 kilometers steep. Nice. Hiker biking up, 16% gradient. Whew. Working hard for the money. My body feels all right, but yeah, I'm just feeling quite cold. I'm wearing merino, I'm wearing a fleece, I got my raincoat on, just trying to keep warm and keep going. More descent coming, which is good. Climbing, climbing, climbing. 2 more climbs today. This one's got about 3.4 Ks. Let's get some legs into it, eh? Dave, if you're buying us lollies, and I'm going to have a shot of the lollies that you bought us. Thank you so much, mate. Appreciate it. That was a big climb to finish that bit of dirt track. Getting a bit more interesting. Heading down from Melbourne to Walhalla. Right, that's steep.
Oh, that was so much fun.
How are you? Yeah, great. Happy to be here.